Hey everyone, here's Aditi. Hope you all are safe and having an amazing day. So it's my third video of my new channel Art and Craft with Shrivastas. So in this video I'm gonna show you that I have made a Mother's Day card. Before I get started, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, and if you like the video, so please give the video a big thumbs up. Okay, so let's get started. So I have taken a yellow A4 size sheet and fold it like a card, and a white paper. So I have this sheet and cut it, and I have also cut the white paper also. Okay, so let's get started and see that how I make this card. So we have to fold the card like the fan. Okay, fold like I'm folding like. See it carefully that how I fold it. Press them tightly. I will show you step by step that how I made it. Okay, so I have folded. So then we will paste it in the center. Okay. So, but before pasting, we have to paste the white paper, and before pasting, we have to write here something. Okay. So you can write anything with the sketch pens or crayons or pencil colors. I have writing with sketch pens. Okay, so right. Okay, so right here. So yeah, I have written Happy Mother's Day to the world's best mom. So I think we should decorate it more with the pencil colors. Yes. So first we will take pink color. Yeah, pink color, and we will give the shade of pink on the upper side of the card like this. Press the pencil with slowly. Okay, so next we will take, I think we should take purple. Yeah, we will take purple. Press it slowly and shade it next to the pink. Shade it next to the pink slowly. Please make it step by step like I'm making this. Next color we will take the red, and this color will be on the center of the card. Slowly. Okay, now it looks pretty cool. So I think we will take yellow on the next? We will yellow color. Give the shade of yellow color on the next of red. Okay. On the last, on the end, we will take orange. Orange will look pretty cool. Okay, the shading part is completed. So the next, I think we should make stars with the black color. Small little cute stars, not making more. Please don't make many stars, it will look weird. Make only few stars, like 5 to 6 stars you can make, or if you want many stars you can make many stars also. Okay, yay. So then we will bring the yellow card and we will paste it, and this is look like this. Okay, I think we should cut the white paper because it's too big on the yellow card. Cut this slowly. If you are below than 8, so take the help of your parents because it's also cut your fingers. Okay, then we will paste here with the glue. Okay, so paste the glue on the back side of the white paper. Press it on the full card, spreading with fingers. Spread the glue on the full card. With the fingers is easier. Okay, I have almost spread it. After pasting the glue, you have to paste this white paper on the yellow card. Press it, that no gap. You can press this with scale, it's very easier with this. Okay, press this with hand also. Okay, then look at the fan. You have to paste the center with the glue. It will look like a bow. Okay, paste the glue on the yellow fan. Okay, so I have paste the glue and it will look like this. Making this more pretty, I think we have to take the colored square paper. If you have not square paper, you can take any colored paper and cut it on the square shape. I'm also cutting like square. Okay, I have taken the square shape and I have folded like a triangle, and again folding and folding again 3 times, and then fold it like this and folding. See it carefully, and then we have to cut like I am cutting. Cut it, and then we'll open this. So yeah, when we open it, make a flower, and we will paste the flower here, and in the center we will paste a small yellow circle. Okay, cut the small yellow circle. Cut it carefully. Yeah, the circle is ready. Paste the circle on the center of the flower. It will look pretty. Then paste the flower on the center of the fan. Yeah, so I have pasted. It will not paste easier, we have to make more glue. Okay, I have pasted the glue and pasting on the fan. Just set tightly here. So yeah, flower is pasted. It will look pretty. Okay, so I think this flower, I have to remove this. I have pasting it because it's cover happy, but I think I have removed this. I think we should paste the small flower on the big flower, and it will look pretty. Wow, it's look very cool. I have written I love you also on the card. So this is all my video that I've made Mother's Day card. It is very beautiful. So if you like my video, so please give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it, click the bell icon, comment me that how you like this video and which video you want on next week. So happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Okay, and if you are a mother, so happy Mother's Day to you also. So till then, take care. Bye bye everyone. Bye.